Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Top Celebrity People.
Today we will show you Brad Pitt lifestyle, biography and more things in this video. I hope you will like this video. Brad Pitt is an American actor and film producer who is regarded as one of the most influential and powerful people in the American entertainment industry and has been credited as the world's most attractive man by various publications. The phenomenal artist has won at least 2 Academy Awards, 3 Golden Globe Awards, and 2 British Academy Film Awards. If you love this video to the end, then don't forget subscribe our channel and press the bell button for more updates. Brad Pitt biography. Real name, William Bradley Pitt. Nickname, Brad. Occupation, actor, film producer. Claim to fame, Interview with the Vampire, Legends of the Fall, 7, Inglourious Bastards. Years active, 1987 present. Ethnicity, white, he is of English, Scots-Irish, Northern Irish, German, Scottish, Welsh, Irish, Swedish, Dutch, French, Cornish, and Channel Islander Jersey descent. Zodiac signs, Sagittarius. Date of birth, December 18, 1963, age 57 years. Place of birth, Shawnee, Oklahoma, United States. Nationality, American. Religion, agnosticism. Education, Brad studied from Kickapoo High School in Springfield, Missouri. Post that, he enrolled himself in the University of Missouri in 1982. Net worth, as of 2021, Brad Pitt's net worth is $300 million. Manager, Brillstein Entertainment Partners, talent management company, Beverly Hills, California, United States. Plan B Entertainment Incorporated, production company, Beverly Hills, California, United States. Brand endorsements, 1 campaign, Heineken, SoftBank, and Edwin Jeans. In 2021, during the Super Bowl pre-show, he narrated a commercial for CBS Sports. First film, 1987 comedy film hunk for his role as Guy at Beach with Drink. Brad Pitt girlfriend name, Robin Givens, 1986 to 1987. Robin Simone Givens is an American model and actress. She is also a pre-medical graduate of Sarah Lawrence College. Givens landed her breakthrough role of Darlene Merriman in the ABC sitcom Head of the Class. Shailene McCall, 1987 to 1988. Shailene McCall is a former American child actress and model, best known for appearing for 5 seasons on the hit CBS primetime soap opera Dallas, playing Charlotte Charlie Wade, the daughter of Jenna Wade. Sunita, 1987. Sunita Malone, known professionally as Sunita, is an American-born British singer, songwriter, television personality, dancer, actress and record producer. Christina Applegate, 1988 to 1989. Christina Applegate is an American actress, dancer, and producer. As a child actress, she gained recognition for starring as Kelly Bundy on the Fox sitcom Mary. Jill Schoelen, 1988 to 1989. Jill Marie Schoelen is a former American actress. She is best known for Chiller, The Stepfather, Cutting Class, The Phantom of the Opera, Popcorn, Rich Girl, and When a Stranger Calls Back. Elizabeth Daily, 1989 to 1990. Elizabeth Ann Gutman, also credited as E.G. Daily and sometimes credited as Elizabeth Daily, is an American actress, voice actress, and singer, best known for voicing Tommy Pickles in Rugrats and It's. Juliette Lewis, 1990 to 1993. Brad Pitt started dating actress and singer Juliette Lewis after they first met on the set of Too Young to Die in 1990. However, their relationship was dissolved in 1990. Julia Ormond, 1993. Brad Pitt had a short-term romance with actress Julia Ormond in the year 1993. Thandie Newton, 1994 to 1995. Melanie Thandie Newton Parker Obe is an English actress. She is the recipient of various accolades. Gwyneth Paltrow, 1994 to 1997. From December 1994 to 1997, Pitt and Paltrow dated. They met on the set of the 1995 movie, 7. The duo dated till mid-1997, around June 1997. They also got engaged during this period on December 20, 1996. Claire Forlani, 1997 to 1998. Claire Antonia Forlani is an English actress. She became known in the mid-1990s for her leading role in the film Mallrats and in the Jean-Michel Basquiat 1996 biopic, Basquiat. In 1994. Demi Moore, 1998. Rumor Demi Jean Moore is an American actress and film producer. After making her film debut in 1981. Sunita Henry, 1998, Sunita Henry is an English actress of Scottish and Nepalese heritage who has a small role as the alien Starfleet doctor who accompanies Winona Kirk aboard the USS Kelvin in 2009 Star Trek. Jennifer Aniston, 1998 to 2005. In May 1998, Aniston began dating Brad Pitt when they first met on a blind date. She then married on July 29, 2000, in a private wedding ceremony in Mal. April Florio, 2003. Rumor April Florio is a well-known Maxim and FHM, Australia UK, model who has shot for some of the top magazines. Angelina Jolie, 2005 to 2016. Angelina Jolie started dating Brad Pitt in 2005. Angelina, on April 12, 2012, engaged Brad Pitt. They married in 2014. Karolina Kurkova, 2007. Rumor Karolina Kurkova is a Czech-American model and actress, best known as a former Victoria's Secret angel and Vogue cover star. Lara Marsden, 2011. Rumor Lara Marsden, World War Z. Lara Marsden is known for her work on World War Z, 2013, Harry Potter and the Deathly. Kate Hudson, 2016. In November 2016, the actors Brad and Kate Hudson were rumored to have had an encounter. Sienna Miller, 2017. Brad was first linked with actress Sienna Miller in April 2017. But Sienna denied of their dating rumors. They were again linked in June 2017 during Glastonbury Music Festival's VIP party. Ella Purnell, 2017. In October 2017, Brad was rumored to be dating actress Ella Purnell after they had met on the set of the 2016 film Miss Peregrine's Home for Peculiar Children. Neri Oxman, 2018. In April 2018, Brad was rumored to be romantically linked with award-winning Israeli-American artist and architect, Neri Oxman. Sat Hari Khalsa, 2018, jewelry designer and spiritual healer, Sat Hari Khalsa and Brad sparked dating rumors when they were seen together in October 2018 during an event hosted by Red Hot Chili Peppers bassist Flea. Charlize Theron, 2019, around July 2018, actors Charlize Theron and Brad met each other while shooting for the Breitling campaign. They spent some time together at that time, and the news of them dating surfaced in January 2019. Nicole Pocharalski, 2019, 2020 present, rumor Brad Pitt's rumored girlfriend Nicole Pocharalski is a breathtaking sight to behold in her latest Instagram post as she documents her cozy rainy. Alia Shawkat, 2019, rumor Alia Martine Shawkat is an American actress and artist. She is known for her roles as Hannah Rayburn in State of Grace, Mebe Funky in the Fox Netflix television sitcom Arrested Development. Brad Pitt unknown facts. He has 6 children out of which 3 are biological, from Angelina Jolie, and the rest are adopted. Brad has guest appeared in several TV shows like in Dallas, 1987 to 1988, as Randy, Another World, 1987, 21 Jump Street, 1988, Head of the Class, 1989, and many. In June 1996, he donated $100,000 to the Discovery Center, a children's learning museum. He has been included in the list of sexiest people or the beautiful people in the world multiple times. He has also been mentioned in the hit song That Don't Impress Me Much by Shania Twain. Along with Brad Gray and Jennifer Aniston, he co-founded the production company Plan B Entertainment in November 2001. The company has produced films like The Departed, 12 Years a Slave, Moonlight, Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, The Time Traveler's Wife, Selma, and Eat, Pray. He gained 20 pounds for his role in the movie Troy in 2004. He appeared as Cliff Booth, Dalton's best friend who is a war veteran skilled in hand-to-hand combat, in the 2019 comedy drama film Once Upon a Time in Hollywood, in which Brad Pitt's co-stars included Leonardo DiCaprio, Margot Robbie, Emile Hirsch, Margaret Qualley, Timothy Olyphant, Austin, Dakota Fanning, Bruce Dern, and Al Pacino. For this role, he won the Academy Award for Best Supporting Actor. In 2020, Brad supported Joe Biden during the 2020 presidential election. Brad even gave his voice for an ad in support of Joe Biden. Brad Pitt house address. Brad Pitt lives in a luxurious house which is located in Shawnee, Oklahoma, USA. Brad Pitt physical stats. Body tips. Average. Height, 5 feet 11 in or 180 centimeters. Weight, 78 kilograms or 172 pounds. Eye color, blue. Hair color, blonde. Distinctive features, chiseled good looks, a strong jawline and bold blue eyes, square jaw. Shoe size, he is believed to be wearing a shoe of size 9, US. Brad Pitt family details. Father, William Alvin Pitt, truck company owner. Mother, Janetta, Nee Hillhouse, high school counselor. Siblings: Doug, younger brother, B. 1966. Julie Neal, younger sister, B. 1969. Brad Pitt. Favorite things: musician, George Winston. Band, U2, Smiths, Rem, Alarm. Song, Sooner or Later, by The English Beat. Associated people, David Fincher.